Hello everyone, Tanprit Gaut this side. Welcome back to my channel Soul Zeal. So today we have a new question for you. The question for today is, will you be moving, going or settling abroad? So you can make your choice now. This is pile 1, this is pile 2, this is pile 3. Take a deep breath and make your choice. For the people who've chosen pile number 1. Okay. So a new start is coming for you for sure. Yes, you will be moving abroad. If you have been planning for it, yes, it will happen. And I feel maybe with your family, you might be moving as well. And I also feel that there is a lot of wherever you are at this point of time, you are very settled. It is not like someone who's starting off something new in his life. It is almost like the vibration is almost like that you are already very settled. You have already have a very strong foundation wherever you are settled with your family there. You have a lot of financial stability that is coming to me, and you might have a inheritance from your ancestors as well. So you are pretty settled down wherever you are. You have a solid foundation at the place you are. So maybe that is the reason you have been thinking of maybe contemplating that maybe I should go, maybe I should not go. Because if you go to abroad, it will be a new start. It will be a start from the basic for you. And here you are very settled, already in a very settled vibration. So change brings a new start for you. But yes, I feel you are ready for the new start. So if you have been thinking, you have been having thoughts, okay, should I go, should I not go, should I go, should I not go? So those thoughts, you can clear those thoughts out, and all your obstacles are obviously clearing themselves out. So all your obstacles are getting cleared. Now you can walk the path. They are paving the path for you to move ahead and start and apply for a visa. So if you have been facing problems with your visa earlier, so those problems will be sorted out for you. And if you have been thinking, okay, should I, your mental thoughts are also getting cleared, because whatever mental obstacles you are having, those are also getting cleared. So they are like, there's a start, that is a new start that is waiting for you. The sun is rising for you. So I feel just embrace the new start and walk ahead now. This is the right time to walk ahead for you. This is the right time to think about making a change in your life. So if you have been thinking about it, yes, the time has come. And yes, your visas are going to get cleared. So whatever problems you have been facing regarding the paperwork or anything, all those problems are going to get sorted out. All your problems are coming to an end. So just focus your energies right now on this new start which is coming for you, this new energy that is coming for you, this new start that you have been waiting for from so long. So this new start, I think, will come with your family, because I have a very strong family feel here. So I feel that you might be moving with your family. That could be one thing. Or you have been waiting for this change for very long. You have been readjusting with this change. You have been thinking about moving to this next level from so long. You have been having thoughts, okay, should I move, should I not, should I move, should I not? So all these problems which you have been facing, all your thoughts, all these physical, mental, any environmental issues, external issues, anything that have been coming will be cleared now for you. And yes, you will be moving abroad. Everything will be adjusted. These are like blessings in disguise which are coming for you. A new start is coming for you. So you should embrace this new start, and I think you should put across your energies also to embrace this new start. I think all this spread is telling me is a new start, a new beginning for you. So yes, moving abroad, yes, you are moving abroad. So this moving abroad thing is coming to true for you if you have been having thoughts about it. But the whole point here is to embrace the new start. Do not fight it. Just let it come to you. Because whatever is coming for you is meant for you. So this thing is meant for you. A new start is meant for you. So go ahead and apply those visas now. Thank you so much for watching the video. Like and subscribe my channel. For the people who've chosen pile number 2. yes, if you have been thinking of moving abroad, your dreams of moving abroad are coming true. I feel it is more like a travel related to education, or maybe because of career switch, you might be planning to take up a job overseas is also there. So maybe current job, you want to leave your current job and think of moving to a new job overseas. This is also there. Or maybe you have to make a decision between two universities you are planning to move to. Maybe you have two options of universities, you have to make a decision around that. Or it could also be a university in the place you are currently and a university in some other place, some second place overseas that you have to take a decision for. Or maybe a job, you might have two job options, one in the current country you are in and one abroad. So yes, there are choices to make that you have to decide on. And if you take a decision, yes, you will be able to move abroad if you plan on moving abroad, because there's a decision that you have to make. So if your decision is yes and you have been thinking about going, yes, you will be going. And what I also see for you, it is a time to move on from your past, because you have been holding a lot of things from your past is what is coming to me. It is also like leave your past behind and move on. Okay, so if you have been having problems with your past, or maybe someone has said something to you in the past about moving away or moving abroad, maybe leave those thoughts behind. Try taking this decision with a new thought process, because I feel you need to clear off the old perspective and start with it something new, some new fresh perspective. You can take advice from your friends, maybe your family, maybe some female also could be a thing, maybe a female who's a sword, someone who is a air sign, or maybe someone who's very logical. She will give you a better perspective of this situation. So I think there's a re-evaluation you have to make about moving abroad. There's a decision that you have to make before you move abroad, or before you take your decision at this point of time. So this decision will take you to this peaceful situation. So whatever decision you take, I feel even if you take a decision of staying here or moving abroad, it will be very peaceful for you. It will be more like you will achieve some kind of happiness by just taking this decision, by just moving on. Maybe if you move on abroad, things will be really good for you. You might have some male figure helping you there also, could be a thing. Could also be someone who will help you with all your problems there. So I feel even if you take the decision of moving abroad, or even if you do not take the decision of moving abroad, both ways it will be a happy time that is coming to you, a more settled time, a more peaceful time that is coming to you, a more calmer time is coming to you. So even if you plan to move abroad, yes, it will be a happy ending. And even if you stay here, I think whatever decision you make, it will be a happy decision, a calmer decision for you. So you can forget all the problems and just move on, because I do not see any kind of problem that is coming to you. You can take your decision with the help of this person, or maybe you are this person who is asked to be more logical and take this decision. Okay, so either you, or you can take someone else's help, a friend, family, anyone that you trust on, and take this decision. Anyways, you are going to move into this peacer, calmer place or happy place in the future. So whatever decision you take, just be mindful and take the decision very logically. So I think that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe my channel. For pile number 3. Okay. So I feel you are planning to go abroad for a holiday, for a vacation. And yes, this vacation will come true for you. But obviously, yes, after this lockdown is over and all the countries have started their visa services and all the flights have started, yes, you can apply for this visa. Yes, you will get the visa. It will be, you might be traveling with a loved one, like your husband, could be your wife, could be your friends, could be your family, someone a family member, a person you admire a lot, someone you love a lot. So you might be traveling with a loved one, could be a friend also. It can be some kind of an adventurous trip with friends also. It could be some honeymoon kind of a thing also for people who have been planning to go to their honeymoons after the lockdown. And this could also be some kind of an exotic location you might be traveling to, might be somewhere near the beach, could be hill station also is coming to me, and also countryside is also coming to me. So yes, if you have been planning to go out with your friends, yes, you are going there, and it will be very it will be fun filled trip, I'll say. It will be abundant, it will be celebrations, lots of celebrations, lots of bliss. It could also be like going out for a wedding, I also feel. So some of you might be going abroad for someone's wedding, maybe a cousin's wedding, maybe a family wedding, maybe it could be something like a wedding of some friend. You might be going abroad for wedding of some friend to some place, and yes, you will be going there. If you have been thinking, "Oh, okay, will I get the visa now at this point of time, will I be going?" Yes, you will be going whenever you plan to go. Yes, you will be able to go, and yes, the visa will be available to you. You will get the travel visa for whatever location you are looking for. And okay, so I feel in the future, whenever you are going there, there will be a lot of fun activities you will be there doing there, or maybe just traveling to the whole location will be fun for you. And when you are there, you are going to have a lot of fun, maybe just exploring the place, and maybe traveling in your own vehicle with and going around the whole place. And it will be a fun travel time for you. It looks like a fun holiday. You have been contemplating this holiday for a very, very long time. And you were thinking, because of this lockdown, will I be able to go? Should I apply the visa after the lockdown? Should we plan something? Yes, you can go if you have been planning to go someplace. Yes, you can go and take the right measures, take the right precautions. Yes, you can plan for a holiday outside whatever location you are right now. And this is if you want, you can apply your visa whenever you want. So whenever you want to plan your trip, you can get your visas and everything in place, get your paperwork done and all. So it might take up some time also, because of all the paperwork and everything, because of the virus and all. So everything is closed right now. So I think once the everything opens, it is going to take a little bit of time because of that. Except that, I do not see any kind of obstacles also coming to you. It feels like a more like a celebrations are happening, more like fun time is there. It also around summers, or maybe around winters, autumn season could also be one thing. So any of these three seasons, if you are planning to go, yes, you should go. And this is, if you want to apply for the visa now and maybe plan a month or 2 months later, yes, you can apply your visa now and plan for the trip after that. I feel this trip will be very good for you. It will bring a lot of happiness to you, a lot of abundance to you. It will be something you have been thinking about from long time. It will be the much needed break that you need. So yes, please go ahead and go to this trip and have lots and lots of fun. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and leave in comments whatever questions you have. Maybe I'll make a video next time on your question. Bye.